Ever wondered how to perfect your health routine step by step? Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we're diving into today. From maintaining a healthy weight to staying hydrated, we're breaking down the essentials to help you build a routine that works for you. So, are you ready to take your health to the next level? Taking care of your health is vital, but it can feel overwhelming with so much information out there. That's why we're here to simplify things for you. We'll walk you through each step of creating a health routine that's realistic, sustainable, and tailored to your needs. Because when it comes to health, one size definitely does not fit all. So, whether you're a beginner looking to make small changes or a seasoned pro seeking to optimize your routine, stick around because we've got tips for everyone. Now, we want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to perfecting your health routine? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Let's get started. Number 1. Maintain a healthy weight for you. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about fitting into a certain clothing size. It's about feeling strong, confident, and energized. When you keep your weight within a healthy range, you're not only safeguarding against conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes, but also nurturing your overall well-being. Your body mass index (BMI) and waist circumference serve as useful metrics, but they're just part of the equation. Your age, ethnicity, activity level, and health history all factor into determining your ideal weight. Consulting with healthcare professionals can provide personalized guidance tailored to your unique needs and goals. Remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. By understanding your body's individual requirements and striving for a balanced lifestyle, you can achieve a healthy weight that supports your physical, mental, and emotional vitality. Number 2. Eat nourishing foods. Fueling your body with nourishing foods is key to supporting its incredible functions. Picture your meals as opportunities to provide your body with the vitamins, minerals, and energy it craves. A balanced diet is all about diversity and harmony. Load up your plate with vibrant fruits and vegetables, focusing on nutrient-rich leafy greens like spinach and kale. These natural gems act as a powerhouse of essential nutrients, nurturing everything from radiant skin to a robust immune system. But that's just the beginning. Whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa offer a steady stream of energy and fiber, promoting satiety and digestive health. Legumes like beans and lentils pack a punch with their protein, fiber, and nutrient content. Walnuts, seeds, and lean proteins provide a wealth of healthy fats and muscle-building protein. Embrace this variety to nourish your body from the inside out, supporting not just physical health, but overall well-being. Number 3. Limit processed foods and sugar. Processed foods and sugar can sneak into our diets, often bringing along extra calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. But swapping them out for whole, nutrient-rich options is simpler than you might imagine. Start by giving your pantry a makeover, bidding farewell to packaged snacks and sugary treats. Instead, stock up on fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These wholesome choices not only fuel your body, but also leave you feeling satisfied and invigorated. While occasional indulgences are perfectly fine, prioritizing whole foods most of the time paves the way for a healthier lifestyle. Let's wave goodbye to processed foods and usher in a diet filled with vitality and nourishment. Number 4. Hydrate your body. Water isn't just essential for quenching your thirst. It's a fundamental component of overall health. Adequate hydration has been linked to numerous benefits, including improved digestion, increased energy levels, reduced joint pain, and better heart health. By drinking enough water throughout the day, you're giving your body the hydration it needs to function optimally. But how much water is enough? While recommendations vary, aiming for 8 to 13 cups a day is generally a good starting point. However, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your intake based on factors like age, activity level, and climate. Whether you prefer a refreshing glass of water or a hydrating herbal tea, prioritizing hydration is key to supporting your well-being. Number 5. Prioritize physical activity. Regular exercise offers a myriad of benefits for both your body and mind. It's not just about breaking a sweat, it's about boosting your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. By incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, you can sculpt lean muscle, strengthen your bones, and improve your sleep quality. But that's not all. Studies have shown that exercise can lower your risk of chronic conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It's your secret weapon for a longer, healthier life. So, lace up those sneakers and aim for at least 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise each week to maximize the benefits for your body and mind. Number 6. Stay active throughout the day. Reducing sitting and screen time is essential for maintaining good health and well-being. Research has shown that prolonged periods of sitting can increase the risk of heart disease, weight gain, and even premature death, regardless of how much exercise you do. That's why it's crucial to break up sedentary behavior throughout the day by incorporating more movement. Simple changes like taking short breaks to stretch or walking around during phone calls can have a significant impact on your health. Additionally, being mindful of screen time is important for minimizing sedentary behavior. While technology has become an integral part of our lives, excessive screen time can contribute to a more sedentary lifestyle and negatively affect our health. By consciously limiting screen time and prioritizing activities that encourage movement, such as outdoor walks or hobbies, we can help improve our overall health and well-being. So, let's take small steps to reduce sitting and screen time, paving the way for a healthier lifestyle. Number 7. Embrace the great outdoors. Spending time outdoors offers incredible benefits for both your mental and physical well-being. Research shows that immersing yourself in nature can improve mood, reduce stress, and foster a sense of connection. Plus, outdoor activity provides an opportunity to move your body and soak up essential vitamin D from the sun. So, rain or shine, prioritize daily outdoor time to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Number 8. Prioritize quality sleep. Quality sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being. When you sleep, your body and mind undergo essential processes like repairing tissue and processing information. However, insufficient sleep can lead to irritability, difficulty concentrating, and increased risk of health issues like heart disease and diabetes. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly to support your health and wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day ahead. In this comprehensive guide to perfecting your health routine, we've covered everything you need to know to live your best life. From maintaining a healthy weight and nourishing your body with wholesome foods to staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and prioritizing sleep, we've shared practical tips and strategies to help you achieve your wellness goals. By making small, sustainable changes to your daily habits, you can unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Remember, it's all about finding balance and prioritizing self-care in your journey towards optimal health and well-being. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We'd love to hear from you, so be sure to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and happiness.